First thing you'll do is log into your Stripe account. To find your API keys, we can go to Developers, and then we can go to API Keys. And here you've got the standard keys. These are the ones you'd add to your payment gateway. If you want to copy one, you can just click on the three little ellipses, copy API key, and that'll be your publishable one, and copy the secret key, paste those across. But what if you want to use a sandbox? Then what you want to do is go up to your logo at the top left, then scroll down, and then you want to go to switch to sandbox. I've already got one created. If you haven't got one in this box, what we can do is we're going to go ahead and create one right now. Press create sandbox. Give it a name, we're going to call it dev site, and the option you want to choose is copy your account, because that'll just give you the exact receipts that you've got with your live one, and then you just press create sandbox. And to get back to it, to get your keys, you see there I can go into my test mode one that I had already, and there's the keys. And we can see with these, they start with PK test, so it's obvious that that's the test one, and the live ones will look different. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and smash that subscribe.